Oh my gosh, guys. What are we gonna do? This is so boring.
Hey guys! Let's make a song and eat some food!
That is the best idea I have ever heard! Freeze frame high five!
Yes.
Ready, set, go!
And I'll sing!
No!
Get behind the
Get
camera.
behind the camera, loser.
I'm at a drive-thru trying to get food for my digestive system right now. Where have my fries gone? Maybe it's so wrong, getting my order wrong again. Yeah, the food starts out in the mouth, and then those glands get it wet. Then you chew and you swallow, and soon it goes down your throat. It falls right down to the stomach, then it gets all burned up. And in the small intestine, all of the nutrients go out. It goes to my cell, my energy floods. Now back to the food, still moving inside my large intestine. But that is as far as I go in this song. I'm at a drive-thru trying to get food for my digestive system right now. Where have my fries gone? Maybe it's so wrong, getting my order wrong again. If they could get it right just this once, it would be a miracle, oh yeah. I will eat these burgers till I'm sick. One more french fry should do the trick.